Hi, we're gonna go ahead and learn how to do drinking champagne. I'm gonna turn around. You're gonna start with your right foot. You're going to do a right vine brush, left vine, and you're gonna put your toe back. With your right foot, you're gonna go forward and back. Step forward with the right with a quarter turn to your right. You're going to cross left over right, tap or point, and then you're going to cross right over left and hold. Let me go ahead and do this again with a count. Starting with your right foot. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is hold. Thank you.